Hello students, how are you all? I am hoping that you all are safe and fine. So yes, as we were discussing about our 5th chapter, that is rocks and minerals, we had completed the discussion part of chapter 5. So now it's a time to do our book work. And I don't think so you are having any problem regarding the chapter or the concepts of the chapter, and you are very well aware about the book work also. So yes, keep checking your book work, whatever you have done with me, or if you have not done your book work, then do it before my video and then match the answer when I will dictate in my video. So this will clarify all the doubts, or if still you are having any other doubt. So yes, let's start with our book work. So yes, our first book work is present on page number 47. Page number 47, our first book work is present. First question is, the lava solidifies to form dash rocks. Yes, sedimentary rocks are formed by the sedimentation of the pebble stone mud. Metamorphic rocks are formed by the modification in the igneous and sedimentary rock. So yes, which kind of rock is formed by the solidification of the lava? It's A, igneous types of rocks. Now second question is, the Red Fort of Delhi is made up of, yes, Red Fort is red in color and it is made up of sandstone. Our B option. Next one is, it is a metamorphic rock. You have given some examples and out of which you have to tell which rock is metamorphic rock. First one is granite, marble, shale. So its answer is B, marble. Now our next book work is present on page number 49. First MCQ is, it is formed from the remains of plants buried inside the earth millions of years ago. So yes, which type of thing is formed by the remains of plant? So yes, I told you in my previous lecture only. So plants are forming coal, and plants and animals both together form the petroleum. So its answer is B. Next question is, aluminium is extracted from dash ore. Aluminium is extracted from bauxite, calamine, hematite. Its answer is A, bauxite. Now next question is, which is gemstone? Gemstone is a crystal-like structure which we are getting from the rocks, diamond, shale, marble. Its answer is A. I think so you all are aware. Diamond is a very beautiful and very expensive gemstone. Next one is, first is the MCQs present on page number 51. 51. First one is, when sandstone undergoes several changes, it forms. Yes, sandstone form which kind of rock? Marble, slate, quartzite. So its answer is C, quartzite. Next question is, the Taj Mahal is made up of. I think so you all are very much aware of it, because Taj Mahal is one of the wonder of the world, and most of you have seen the Taj Mahal, or most of you are going to see the Taj Mahal. So yes, everybody knows Taj Mahal, everybody has seen the pictures of the Taj Mahal, maybe on the net, maybe on the TV, maybe on the mobile. So yes, Taj Mahal is made up of B, marble. Now next one is, the fuel used in atomic power plants is, it's none other than uranium, because it gives a tremendous amount of energy. So yes, in atomic power plants, in nuclear power plants, we want a large amount of energy at once. So that's why we are using uranium in that particular case. Now next one is present on the bottom of page number 51 itself. First one is, due to the intense heat, limestone changes into, due to the intense heat, the limestone changes into slate, gneiss, marble. So its answer is C, marble. Next one is precious metal used for making jewelry is. So yes, jewelry can be made with the silver, gold and platinum. So here which is mentioned, we will see aluminium, iron and platinum. So its answer is C, platinum. So these are the MCQs which are present in our book. Now next one is the filling the blanks. Filling the blanks. First one is when limestone undergoes several changes, it forms. Yes, limestone forms which kind of rock? It's marble or slate? Its answer is A, marble. Next question is dash are underground natural resources. Yes, what are underground natural resources? Yes, it's mineral, which is our chapter. So yes, we have done in our topic minerals that minerals are underground natural resources. So its answer is minerals. Now next question is metals are extracted from their ores. We can get the metals from the ores also, from the minerals also, but from the ores we can get the metals in very easy and profitably manner, cheap manner. So yes, that's why ores are better than any other thing. So yes, ores are the things from which we can extract the metal. Next is molten rock inside the earth is called magma. When it comes out on the surface of the earth, it becomes lava. But when it is present inside the earth, it is called as magma. Last filling the blanks is dash is used for making bricks and cements. Yes, which thing is used to make the bricks and cements? It's gneiss or slate. Its answer is gneiss. Yes. Next one is true or false. First question. All rocks are made up of the same mineral? Yes. Is all the rocks are made up of the same kind of minerals? No. I told you that even one rock can have many kind of minerals. So its answer is false. Second question is sedimentary rocks are always formed in the layers? Yes. That's how sedimentary rocks is formed. If layer will not be there, then the sedimentary rock will not form. Igneous rock can form, metamorphic rock can form, but sedimentary rock will not form if layers will not be there. Next question is metamorphic rocks have fossil in them? No, it is not necessary. Last true false is coal is called black gold. No, which is called black gold? It's petroleum. So it's again wrong, false. Next question is identify the pictures. Identify the pictures. So here A or first one you can say first. Yes, which is this picture? I don't think so. I have to tell you. You all are very much aware about this thing. It is Taj Mahal. So yes, listen the question carefully. Identify the following picture and write the names of the rock from which they are made. So you have to tell the picture, monument also, and you have to tell the from which rock it is formed. So yes, its answer is Taj Mahal, and it is formed by the marble. We have done already now only. Next question is, this picture is what? It is Red Fort, and it is made up of sandstone. Last picture is Mount Rushmore. Mount Rushmore, and it is made up of igneous rocks. So yes, these three are the pictures and these are the materials from which they are made up of. Now it's a turn of our oral questions. Yes, oral questions I will give you in the PDF form, but as we are discussing always our oral question in our bookwork part. First is, how are metamorphic rocks formed? Yes, you know that metamorphic rocks are how they are formed. Metamorphic rocks are formed by the modification of either igneous rocks or sedimentary rocks. Metamorphic means modification. Okay, next one is, what is magma? Magma is what? Magma is the hot molten rock which is present inside the earth. Okay, hot molten rock which is present inside the earth. Next is, which type of rock is pumic? Yes, which type of rock it is? It is igneous rock. Last oral question is, what do you understand by the term lava? Yes, magma is the hot molten rock which is present inside the earth, but when it is come outside the earth through the volcanoes, from the crater part of the volcano, when it comes out from the earth and settle on the earth crust after cooling, then it called as a lava. Next is science quiz questions. Only 2 questions are there in our science quiz. Science quiz questions. First question is, name 3 types of rocks. Yes, we have done full chapter, or I know that you all know the answers. What are the 3 types of rocks? 3 types of rocks are igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Next question is, name an alternate source of energy. Alternate source of energy means we are using coal and petroleum as our energy source, but they are non-renewable as we discussed. They can deplete very soon. So what alternate we can use instead of coal and petroleum? It can be solar energy, it can be wind energy, or it can be water energy. Anything you can use. Next is, which liquid is called black gold? Its answer is 1, petroleum. So yes beta, this is all about your bookwork. We have done our bookwork, we have done the chapter. So tomorrow we are going to do our worksheet part. Today I will share one of the worksheet with you. You will solve the worksheet by yourself, and tomorrow in my tomorrow's video I am going to tell you the answers of the same worksheet, so you can match your answer with my answers. So this is all about for today's video. Thank you.